i35equipment.com. This is the John Deere 950J Bulldozer. We welcome you to come look it over for yourself. It is shown by appointment only though, so please give us a call to get on the calendar. Our phone number here is 405-833-6437. If you'd like a hauling quote to your farm or job site, please fill out the form on our website. Happy to look into that for you. This machine does run and operate excellent. However, we welcome you to bring your mechanic and operator with you when you check it out, or hire some local ones. It does have the full cab, that rear draw pin on the back, joystick controls. I'm gonna hop up in here and start it up for you. Gonna go ahead and zoom out to the fisheye lens. But before I do, I'll show you the undercarriage on this side. If I go by something too fast for you, just a reminder, you can pause it. Or if I'm going too slow, feel free to fast forward through this video. Go ahead and zoom on out to that fisheye lens. May distort it a little bit, gives you a good view of the interior though. Here's the operator's seat. Here's your throttle. This is your track control. This one's your blade control. It does have the finger controls for changing the gearing. And start it. Currently sitting at 96.26 hours. This is a foot decelerator pedal. And this is your safety. Here's your stereo control. All your buttons. I'm going to climb in and go ahead and operate it for you. Appreciate you taking time to watch this video. Hope it was beneficial to you. Look forward to hearing from you soon. As always, you can see our full inventory of heavy equipment and accessories online. www.i35equipment.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.